Hi guys! Mabuhay! For today's video, meron na naman tayo panibagong edisyon ng unboxing! Samahan ninyo ko! Tara! Ayun guys, so meron nga tayong i-unbox today. Ayan, ito ay in-order natin mula sa isa sa mga paborito nating shopping application, ang Shopee! Ayan, so in-order ko to kasi isa to sa mga ginagamit ng mga estudyante ko. Ayan, lalong-lalo na kapag meron silang performance task. Ayan, so kasi yung ganito nila, may hiniraman sila and then nakakalungkot kasi biglang nawala, hindi namin mahanap. So, sa kakahanap namin talagang, ayan guys. So, hindi namin mahanap kaya napilitan akong umorder para mapalitan namin kasi hiniram nga lang namin siya. Ayan guys. So, ayan. So, yung in-order kong to ay, ayan guys. So, ito ay, ayan, wireless microphone, professional PA speaker o yung tinatawag natin na lapel. Ayan guys, so ayan, so unbox na natin guys. So ayan, in-order ko siya sa Shopee. Ayan, color white yung nawala nila. Ayan, dapat black yung i-order ko. Buti na lang tinanong ko kung anong kulay. Ayan, so white. Ito siya guys. So meron siyang, ayan, meron siyang headset. So Bluetooth siya guys. Kagandahan talaga nito, Bluetooth. Ayan, and meron siyang, ayan, cord para ma-charge. Ayan, tapos meron din tayo dito, ayan, sa yung, ano ba tawag dito? Ayan, pang sling. Ayan. And syempre, sa box natin, meron din tayong user guide na hindi naman natin binabasa. Ayan guys, so ito yung mga nasa box niya. Ayan, so labas lang natin. Ayan, so kulay white yung ating in-order. Tapos, so buksan lang natin. So meron siya dito, ayan, sa side. Ayan, so dito ikakabit yung, ayan, kung mag-charge tayo. Ayan, so meron din siyang parang SD card. Ayan, may lagayan siyang SD card. And then USB. Tapos, ito yung kanyang volume. Ayan. Ayan guys, so nag-on na siya. Ayan. And then, so dito yung headset niya. Since na-Bluetooth siya, so kailangan lang natin siyang pindutin. Ayan. Ayan guys. So, kumunik na siya kagad dito. So, check natin. Ayan. Hello, mic test. Ayan guys, so ayan, di ba yung lakas? Ayan, naka-full volume siya. Ayan, hinaan ko lang. Ayan, so ayan guys, so parang ang ganda niya gamitin. Ayan, talagang buong klase, itong buong classroom ay rinig na rinig. Ayan, so oh baby, I wasn't supposed to know. Charot! Ayan, mga suke, bili-bili na. Pasok na, suke. Presyon Divisoria. 10-10, 20, may iba. Charot! Ayan guys, so, ang ganda, napakaganda niya. In fairness, ayan, malinaw naman yung sounds niya. Ayan, malinaw yung speaker niya. Malakas. So, kabit natin to. Ayan, kabit lang natin dito sa likod. Ayan, estudyante na ako. Ayan siya guys. And then, adjust natin. So, ayan. So, ang ganda niya guys. So, nakakatuwa. Di ba? Ayan. So, sa halagang... Hinaan ko lang. Ayan. Sa halagang... Nag-e-echo ko. So, ayan guys. So, sa halagang... Ayan, lagay natin. Pakita natin. Ayan. So, sa halagang 345 pesos, ayan, free shipping na siya sa Shopee. Ayan, Shopee, baka naman. So, malaking tulong to sa mga katulad ng teachers, sa mga estudyante na may mga performance tasks, ayan, na may mga stage play, ayan, kailangan ng ganitong lapel, ayan, so maganda siya, malakas, rechargeable, tapos naka-Bluetooth pa yung headset niya, kaya, ayan, so kahit saan ka pumunta, ayan, pwede. Kasi yung iba talaga may cord, pero ito, dahil na Bluetooth siya, ayan siya guys, so diba, ang lakas sa umaga, dispatchadora, sa gabi ay, bonggang-bongga, ani ba itong bakal? Diba, parang concept na concert, ayan, so muli, maraming pong salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta kay Mr. Sue! Ayan. So, ngayong summer po, abangan ninyo yung ating magiging grand live stream. Ayan. So, sponsored by Ma'am Auntie Marga Vlogs, Ma'am Adele Joy Vlogs, ayan, si Ma'am Shine Ranga Mix Vlogs, and syempre si Boss Ted Balyon. Ayan. So, muli, thank you so much. Ayan, road to 22K subscribers na tayo! Ayan, bye-bye! I love you! Mwah!
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.